Hello, this is Ninja Unmatched, here to test out Windows 10 again. Only in this video, this one focuses on the new Spartan browser with Windows 10 Pro technical preview build number 10049. You can kind of see that here in the lower right hand corner here, 10049. As for going on, so far everything looks the same, nothing's really different so far. The start menu still looks the same. I don't see anything really that much different, to tell you the truth. Oh yeah, I moved Facebook over here. Okay, Facebook kind of shows what looks like a feed here of your stuff on Facebook. Whatever. But moving along, we're gonna open up the Spartan browser now and kind of get an idea of what's going on with this new browser thing. Supposedly, the Spartan browser is going to replace Internet Explorer, and Microsoft now is in conjunction with Adobe, or has asked Adobe for assistance in creating this browser. Right now, I have the browser set to open the last, window that I had open, and it's a little Microsoft new Surface tablet, but we've got to find something else to do that with. So to start off, this is the browser here. Let's go minimize it a little bit just to get an idea of what it looks like when it's minimized. You can see the tab structure is still there with the tabs, but it's actually on the bar itself. The bar is the thing, the big thing. I'm going to make it a little bigger here. And so far what we have is almost like a Windows app. Kind of like, remember the old Windows 8 Internet Explorer, the crappy one that didn't take add-ons? And you couldn't do a lot of things, and if you couldn't do anything, it will just tell you, oh, open up desktop version, and you'll get a better experience, right? Right, whatever. So now, let's see here, we have a reading view, it's tablet use, favorites or a reading list, because now you can create a reading list on it. Okay, this looks kind of repetitive to me, actually, but adding history and downloads to it. If I click on it, what happens? Okay, so kind of gives you your favorites menu bar thing. What's this here? Make a web note. Okay. In settings, 3 dots. Zoom settings, share. There you go with the tablet ability again, and Facebook shows up now. So whatever you have installed, as far as social media, it will become available as an option to share too, I assume, because that wasn't there before. I just added Facebook this time, just to see things, how things are going. Find on the page is still there. Print, settings, and the developer tools. Opens in the window. Looks pretty good. Pretty much the same stuff as before. There's a smiley face there. Anyway, let's get over that. And settings. Here with the settings we have, show the favorite bar turning on, reading view style, medium, light, and dark. Okay. Font sizing for reading view. Start out with a web page. Okay, I can choose Bing, MSN, or a custom page. That's cool. Always use caret browsing. Privacy settings, blocking pop-ups, don't block cookies, tracking requests, pretty much the basic settings. Predict the next page and speed up browsing with flip ahead. Okay, sounds like some sort of guessing where you want to go next type thing. And Cortana, which I don't have set up on here. I don't really care for it. I'll test it out in another video. That's about it. Add-ons, and Flash Player is there, and there we go. Project Spartan build. Okay, 0.10 10049, basically the build number. Anyway, moving on. As we have here, so far nothing really special here. Same old Metro theme, I guess you would say. At the risk of not sounding too much like Windows 8. We don't want to sound like that. So let's find some web page to work with. How about, I know, let's do a search here. Can we search from the bar? Yes, we can using Bing. Let's say we're going to try Echo. Let's go to Echo Unlimited and see what shows up. Okay, Echo Unlimited. Let's open another tab just to test the tab features out. And we're going to choose, because I want to test out Flash anyway. Does Flash work? So I'm going to, actually, you know what? My history has something going here. Let's actually, Move Streams is kind of cool actually. So we'll go there, start streaming. Working pretty good. Gathering.
She offered me when maybe you'd have to call me Fouls. I go back to other places I've known.
That's kind of loud. That happy and calm, serious. Take it down a notch. Let's like happy down a notch. Okay, good. I like that better for now.
Though my plans were indefinite.
Alright, we'll leave that there for now. Let's move on. Let's close this out. Let's check out Echo here. A bit of a lag. It's okay. I'm in a virtual window, so that's just what it is. Alright, so really, I don't see anything special so far. Yeah, browsers are browsing. Let's see what this making a web note feature is. Let's start with that. If I right click on the page, I can select all. That's all I get. For the right clicking feature is selecting all. Right click here, I get open new tab, new window, and copy link. Can I get a picture out of that? Okay, there we go. Let's save picture, share, and copy picture is still there. Opening the picture in a new tab. Okay, copy the link. Alright, at least we have some settings there. The only thing I see missing really is view source. See, we don't see view source here. Alright, or view, alright, those kind of options. So that's probably just for this build here. So view source is not here. We kind of need that. Put the volume down a little bit. Or that's muting it. Alright, let's change that. Okay.
We are all connected.
Alright, let's test out the making a web note here. I'll make a web note here. See a couple options here. I got
We are all selected.
fine tip marker. Looks like
To
with different
experience
colors and sizes. This is like a more of a fat
To
tip
experience
slanted marker. Maybe a calligraphy thing going in. See a little slant to it. Maybe, maybe not. Different sizes and shapes too. We have an eraser. Okay, eraser. There's something I know what that is. Clip, save. That to me looks like probably like a sharing option. So let's take a look here. First, let's go on the site and see if anything I like. Oh, I'm writing on it. Let's clear it all. How about that? Let's get out of it. Let's find something first, something cool here. Outerwear, top, bottom. I don't know, really. The shirt looks, I don't know what that pocket is. Pocket's kind of crazy. Something quick. How about this? Just a new arrivals. Hot
This
color.
child wants a father.
Oh, I see it. That's a clip.
Did you expect?
Alright, all these works for me. Let's move on to that.
May not think my sickness is too
Let's do that.
I see a turtle.
I don't really know too much about probably wasting time just doing this, so I'm just gonna go right to hoodies. Hoodies are cool. Can't go wrong with a hoodie, right? Mouse over and it shows the back, okay. Alright, let's go with a cool looking hoodie here. I don't know, this one looks actually different. A pullover hoodie. Actually, this blue one, let's stick with this blue one. Blue one actually looks fun, okay. Stick with that. Okay. I'm gonna roll with that. So another blue hoodie here. Basically, it seems to work so far. And
road trip,
let's see here.
though my plans were
Alright, let's see what we got.
definite.
Let's change the color. On this page, red. I don't have a pen here. I was sitting on a tablet. So let's see what we can do here.
When I
I'm gonna go across here. Okay, black and white.
It's unintentional work, just trying to figure it all out.
Question mark in there. Okay. Let's use my handwriting. But what can you do with a mouse, right? How well can you write really quick?
Ask
If
me
I had a pen, it'd be cool. Okay. What else? What is this little A here on top? Here.
tell me
Okay, I'm gonna maybe drag it. That feature needs some work. I'll notice I'm using this.
perfect sky, clouds of pink and blue, and some as pure as blue.
That's good.
Here, in the sand.
Yeah. Okay. Alright then. So now what? So I guess you write little notes about stuff you like. I guess you find something you like. I'm thinking I'm trying to figure a use for something like this. I'm not really too sure why I would want to do that. But I think maybe if
Is it still too
actually I do kind of like this sweatshirt, I'd wear it. But I don't know what the pockets though. But anyway, moving on. Other than that, if it's something I really wanted, I guess I could figure maybe a way I would probably use this. Oh yeah, I gotta save this. I need this. I want this. Make a little note to myself and save it to my
never heard
well my collection or folder. Just mention it somewhere in here. So
without you.
I guess there's a save little thing here. So it says, okay, save to your reading list as a web note. Add your favorites to the reading list. Add it. So I added that. So now that's saved. Alright.
We walked in common footsteps.
Actually, I had a thought about this. This here. Let's set that out. I'm over 8 right now. Well, mood strings, man. The mood strings, man. The sound. Anyway, let's see here. Suppose I try this. I'm thinking you take a clip. Yeah. Up things here. Go down here. Boom. Right. And after you do it, you do kind of have to click once on it, I noticed, to get anything going. And then I can open this up. Control V, paste, and now I have the image to do what I want with the paint, or get Photoshop or whatever, Corel Draw, or whatever you like to use. You can put that in there. I'm assuming that button will do more later. Just hitting the button, I don't think it's really enough. guess it would work. I think they need more functionality. There's a click button, clipping button, you know. So I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't really want that. I don't want to save that. Really, not really. But it looks pretty cool. I can exit out of that now. Go back to page. Matter of fact, let's get rid of mood screen. Alright. So pretty much I guess I'll do a few website searches and see what we come up with. Flash seems to work fine. Let's see here. So far I don't see any problem with the way it's opening pages. I'm gonna try maybe a WordPress site that I know of. Get an idea of how fast the browser opens. Before I can tell, the browser opens really fast. But then again, okay, there we go. It opens web pages pretty fast. My site, the server, don't get me talking about that. But get me on to that. But it is what it is. But it opens pretty fast though, considering. And I do know it takes longer in Internet Explorer on Windows 8. When I'm on my Windows 8.1, it does take longer in Explorer for this page to open up. It does. Period. So that's so far what I can see so far is good, and I'm actually using this in a virtual window. So it does take longer from my observations in normal Internet Explorer 11 in Windows 8 to open this page. Period. It's gonna, I'm assuming it's already gonna be in my history already, or cache. I'm gonna copy it, minimize it, but just, open Internet Explorer, just, Internet Explorer 11, hit OK. Get this out the way right here. Close this out, make it a little bigger. So again, we have Internet Explorer 11. Let's paste it. Probably won't make a difference now that I've, but I do see a difference actually. I do see a bit of a difference in the way that opened as opposed to the Spartan browser. So there's a slight difference that I can notice. I don't know if you've noticed it or anything, but I do notice a difference here. But I guess it is what it is. So we're gonna let's try something here. Internet options, and just delete everything. Let's just delete it all. Delete everything. Alright, I'm gonna come here and delete everything, close it out. I'm even gonna take a step further. Control panel. Let's go to the old control panel way. Internet. Let's close this out completely. And then options. Let's clear it all out. Let's just make sure we get a good add-on data. Alright. Get a good representation here. I'm gonna open up the Explorer again. It goes here. Let's open that page again. Okay, good. It doesn't recognize it. Let's see. Open the page up again. Let's get an idea. See how fast it opens. I already see look at the pause. Big huge pause there. Still pretty fast, so considering I'm also on Windows 8. This is a virtual window, but it's also on a solid state drive. For any of you techie people, you would understand. And Explorer 8 also does a weird thing too with this site. I notice it. The background kind of does this thing here. It doesn't do that on Chrome or any other browser. It's just a Windows an Explorer thing. See how the window is. See how the star just moves. Yeah, it's kind of a weird thing going here. Let's close that out. Alright, come back. I close it down. Alright. Open control panel again. I'm gonna clear it all out again. I shouldn't have closed this. No. Close everything out again. Delete the whole history. Oh, there it goes. Everything is gone. I'm gonna minimize that for now. Now let me open up Spartan Browser. Let's see the difference. Looks a little, I don't know. That's faster or not. Alright, so we're gonna come back here now. It remembered. It remembers the page here. That's something we don't want. Let's double check some things here. So something's different, definitely, between the two. Let's try it again. I'm making sure it's completely clear. Check the task manager out. Make sure nothing is open still. We know how Internet Explorer 8 is. Or excuse me, Windows 8. Things still running in the background. Okay, I don't see it. Running. Except Flash Player is running. Okay, I don't see it. So here, I'm going to delete it. Everything all over again. Minimize, close, reopen. Hopefully if it remembers, it does anyway. If it remembers, so figuring out how to clear out the Spartan browser's history this would suggest that it's not the same as Internet Explorer. It's a different folder. Most likely, it's clearing it out. So basically, to figure out where that is. But we're going to clear out browsing data from here. Download history, form data, and passwords. So it is separate from Internet Explorer. That's cool. I'm going to do it twice and close it out completely. Reopen it. Let's see what we get this time. There you go. That's what I wanted to see. Okay. So it is separate. Let's hit that. What we got? So same pause. So I don't know. Unsure. Yeah, so it took a little while to open the site, but then again, that's my site's fault. But this time, look how it opens the page. The star doesn't jump around like that anymore. So that I see as a good thing. So there's a difference between the two browsers here, and so far, for that in that particular sense, a thumbs up for me. Just so far, what it has so far, but that's about it. Yeah, and that's about it. So far, a thumbs up. It opens the page correctly. Doesn't have the Internet Explorer quirks that Internet Explorer has, but I'm sure Internet Explorer is not going anywhere. So expect Internet Explorer to still be around when you go to work. Okay, I don't see this Spartan Project Browser here replacing Internet Explorer anytime soon, even though it does open the site better. That jumping around doesn't happen. So again, that's the Spartan Browser in Windows 10 Pro Technical Preview build 10049. And thank you for watching.